When it comes to manifesting our desire and making our dreams come true, there are two ideas that people talk about the most: the law of attraction and the law of assumption. Both of these ideas are about how our thoughts and beliefs can affect our lives and determine our circumstances. But there are some key differences between them. I believe that the law of assumption is far better than that of the law of attraction. So why is the law of assumption more powerful than the law of attraction, and how can you practice the law of assumption to manifest your desires using this law? But before moving on, let me tell you that this video is going to be interesting, so watch this video till the end. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. So let's get started. First off, it's important to clear up the confusion between the law of assumption and the law of attraction. While some coaches may use these terms interchangeably, they are not the same thing. Unfortunately, this confusion exists, but let's delve into the differences to clarify things. The law of attraction has gained widespread popularity thanks to works like The Secret. It's often associated with the idea that your thoughts and emotions can attract positive or negative experiences into your life. People who follow the law of attraction often believe in a universal force that operates externally, determining whether or not their desires will manifest. This idea might lead them to feel that they're at the mercy of external factors, which can sometimes include limiting beliefs. On the other hand, the law of assumption is rooted in Neville Goddard's teachings. This law says that what you assume to be true shapes your reality. Unlike the law of attraction, the law of assumption doesn't propose an external force making decisions on your behalf. Instead, it places the power firmly in your hands. Your assumptions create your reality, which means that your thoughts and beliefs directly influence your experiences. Some key differences include how people who believe in the law of attraction view the universe as an external force with its consciousness. They might believe that the universe can decide whether to grant their wishes or not. Additionally, concepts like karma and the idea of being pushed out by everyone around you are not central to the law of assumption. Law of attraction followers might grapple with these ideas, while those embracing the law of assumption tend to focus on assuming what they want to be true and actively shaping their reality. Understanding that you are the god of your reality is most important in the law of assumption. Your assumptions carry the creative power to shape your experiences, both positive and negative. When you assume a certain belief, whether it's about your appearance, relationships, or capabilities, that assumption becomes your reality. It's like creating a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you assume you're not good enough, your actions and reactions might reinforce that belief, leading to a reality where you truly feel inadequate. This law also emphasizes that your assumptions don't just apply to the big things in life. They extend to even seemingly trivial matters, like your preferences, opinions, and daily interactions. For instance, if you assume you don't like a particular food, your experience of eating it will likely reflect that assumption, regardless of its actual taste. Ultimately, the law of assumption empowers you to consciously choose your assumptions and beliefs. It's about recognizing your role in shaping your reality and making choices that align with your desired outcomes. This approach encourages you to take ownership of your beliefs and challenge any limiting ones that may be holding you back. So when you meet teachers who mix these ideas, it's important to figure out if they're really promoting the law of assumption or if they're still focused on the law of attraction way of thinking. Being careful and thoughtful as you learn is crucial to make sure you're adopting the principles that match your beliefs and will help you manifest your desires. Let's continue to delve into Neville Goddard's teachings and how he further explains the law of assumption. Neville Goddard's words offer deep insights into understanding the law of assumption. He emphasizes that your consciousness shapes your reality in every way. This idea is beautifully described in his words: "You can't see other than the contents of your consciousness. Your world in its every detail is your consciousness objectified." Put simply, your external reality reflects what you hold within yourself. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs are the architects of the world you perceive. By transforming the core beliefs and assumptions within your subconscious, your external circumstances naturally shift to align with these fresh impressions. Neville goes on to elaborate: "The subconscious mind accepts as true that which you feel is true." This explains the significance of your emotions and feelings in this process. Your subconscious treats as fact what you genuinely feel to be true. When you strongly believe in something without any doubt, your mind treats it as if it's true. This creates a foundation for that belief to become real in your life. According to Goddard, you are already that which you want to be, and your refusal to believe this is the only reason you do not see it. Your desires are a part of you, and you need to recognize and accept this truth. Searching outside of yourself won't work, as you'll only bring about what you already believe. Goddard's teachings say that you experience what you're aware of and believe in. This means your thoughts shape your reality. To change your life, you need to change your thoughts and beliefs. That's why Neville Goddard is known for teaching the law of assumption. His ideas fit well with the core principles of assuming your desired reality. Goddard says your thoughts create your outside world. What you think of yourself is what others see. This connection between your thoughts and your reality is at the heart of the law of assumption. This law doesn't rely on luck or outside factors. It's about the power of what you believe. If we look at Neville's teachings, they revolve around a straightforward idea. Your subconscious mind accepts as true whatever you feel is true. This means that the beliefs and assumptions you hold in your mind shape your reality. So whatever you believe to be true for you will become your reality. This is a powerful concept to grasp because it means that your thoughts and feelings have a direct impact on the world around you. An interesting aspect of Neville's teachings is the idea that you are already what you want to be. This might sound surprising at first, but it holds a profound truth. Imagine you desire to be married to your ideal partner, have financial abundance, live in a specific place, or pursue a certain career. According to Neville, you already possess these desires within you. It's not a matter of waiting for them to come true. It's about aligning your beliefs and feelings with these desires so they become your reality. However, there's an important point. Neville points out that your refusal to believe that you already have what you desire is the only reason why you don't see it in your life right now. This means that if you're not experiencing what you want, it's because you're resisting the idea that it's already yours. This realization holds great significance. Your doubts and hesitations prevent you from seeing the manifestations of your desires in your reality. Consider a bold desire that seemed unlikely to come true. For instance, you meet someone who's already married, but you decide they are meant for you. If you refuse to believe anything other than the fact that this person is yours, something remarkable happens. You fully accept it as true, and you can even feel it in your heart. Despite any external circumstances that might suggest otherwise, you hold on to your beliefs and assumption. Neville refers to this belief as refusing to believe otherwise than what you want. In your example, even though the person was married for many years, you held on to your belief that they were meant to be yours. Because you didn't waver, your assumption became a reality. This is a key takeaway. By accepting and assuming what you desire, regardless of external circumstances or conventional viewpoints, you align yourself with the law of assumption. Neville emphasizes that if you had allowed doubts or societal beliefs to sway you, you might not have achieved your desire. This illustrates the importance of staying committed to your assumptions, even when faced with challenges or doubts. Your unwavering belief creates the bridge between your internal world and your external reality. Well, now let's discuss how the law of assumption should be practiced. Practicing Neville Goddard's law of assumption involves a process of mental transformation aimed at manifesting desired outcomes. The foundation of this practice lies in assuming the reality of your desired state, treating it as already true, and living in that assumption until it materializes. Begin by identifying your specific desire or goal. This could be related to health, relationships, career, or any other aspect of life. Once you have a clear objective, find a quiet space where you can relax and focus your thoughts. Close your eyes and enter a state of deep relaxation. In this state, create a mental scene that implies your desire has been fulfilled. This scene should be simple, yet vivid and emotionally charged. For example, if your goal is to find a new job, imagine yourself receiving a job offer phone call from a potential employer. Feel the excitement, gratitude, and joy as you hear the words of congratulations. Engage your senses, visualize the surroundings, hear the voices, and feel the emotions. The key is to make this scene as real and immersive as possible. As you continue practicing, avoid feelings of doubt or disbelief. These negative emotions can hinder the manifestation process. Whenever doubt arises, gently redirect your focus back to your desired scene. Consistency is crucial. Make it a daily practice, ideally before sleep when your subconscious mind is more receptive. Repetition strengthens the assumption and helps it sink into your subconscious. The language you use in your inner dialogue also matters. Instead of saying, "I hope this happens," phrase your thoughts as, "I am so grateful now that this has happened." Speak and think from the perspective of already having achieved your desire. Rephrase your thoughts to reflect this perspective throughout the day. This continuous reinforcement solidifies the assumption. Throughout the practice, cultivate a sense of detached expectancy. Trust that your assumption will come to fruition, but release any attachment to when or how it will happen. This detachment eliminates anxiety and allows the universe to orchestrate events in its own way. Patience is vital. Manifestation timelines can vary. Additionally, Neville Goddard emphasized the use of self-talk. Consciously replace any negative or contradictory thoughts with positive affirmations aligned with your desired assumption. If you catch yourself thinking, "This is impossible," counteract it with, "All things are possible with my assumption." As your assumption gains strength, you might notice subtle shifts in your external reality. Synchronicities, opportunities, or even new ideas related to your goal might appear. Embrace these signs and act on them. Take inspired actions that align with your assumption. If you're manifesting a better relationship, for instance, you might feel prompted to reach out to someone, apologize, or communicate openly. I hope I was able to provide a thorough study of Neville Goddard's Law of Attraction, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to express your thoughts and take part in the conversation, leave a comment below the video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for more entertaining, informative, and helpful videos about manifestation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.